Ha! You peeps, this is something you motherfuckers will never see. Never, ever, motherfucker, ever see. Young Bleezy, bitch. You, Young Bleezy, bitch. What it is, motherfucker. What? Yeah. Let's do this. Yeah. Come on, motherfucker. What? You peeps will never see me creeping the street of defeat. Weeping, coughing and sneezing, pouting in displeasement. Please, man. I said fucking please, man. I never meant to be in agony of peace. I'm ready to be unleashed on the street. I'm out of the creeps that beat your feet on the concrete in the other direction. Cause my insect, man, the section is aimed at your motherfucking midsection. So pray, cause my patience is a blessing. And this Smith and Wesson is stressing to let off. So take off your baguette, cause all bets are off, and drop to the floor. War in the streets is real now. Fuck how I feel now. It's all about how I deal with life's bullshit. About how I deal with it. I just take this, load it, and fucking pull it. You peeps will never see me creeping the street of deceit, weeping, coughing, and sneezing, pouting in displeasement. Please, man. I said fucking please, man. Yeah. So fucking creep out. I creep out, find a route to take a Jeep out of a with a bomb trigger by starting your motherfucking Austin Martin. Now you starting some shit that you can't fucking finish. Now you finish and departed. I'm heavily guarded and regarded and purported to be and regarded MC, retarded MC, looking for beef with rappers. Yeah, I'm ass backwards. Ha, y'all actors. I'm the genuine article. Bullet particles will shatter your particles. You peeps will never see me creeping the street of defeat. Yeah, weeping, coughing and sneezing, pouting in displeasement. Please, man. I said fucking please, man. Yeah, so I stay with flat gloves and a mask and tape and gas. That's sporadic. I'm a drug addict, hiding in the attic, slashing my wrists with plastic spoons. Yeah, I'm rolling with goons and buffoons. I'm fucking Looney Tunes, and it's high noon, and I'm high by noon. Always weed or shrooms, y'all doomed. I'm groomed to be an MC since I was born, and my umbilical tubes came loose. So fuck you goofs, you creeps will never see me creeping the street of defeat, weeping, coughing, and sneezing, pouting in displeasement. Please, man. I said fucking please, man. Fuck you. I don't say please to none of you motherfuckers. Young blood on the case. What it is, motherfucker. Check it out. You know what it is, motherfucker. I gapped out. You know it. Check it out.